Look at this table and the what is this even called? Pavers.
Oh, wow.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Oh, Jojo.
Jojo, look at that. This is so beautiful. This is like an oasis. Are you kidding me? Look at their faces. This is unbelievable.
Whoa. It looks like something out of a magazine.
It does.
Like it's like the patio, the garage.
The garage door, it's now not broken, and I can actually go in and get the kids' bikes. Look at this table and the what is this even called? Pavers.
No, I'm here.
Oh my God, guys, this is the best backyard ever. Tom, look at this shark. It's just the most beautiful backyard we could ever imagine. The lights off the side of the garage, they thought of everything. There's nothing that they missed. Are you serious with the movie thing out here? Are you serious? Are we watching a movie out here tonight? Guys, you can watch a movie in your backyard.
Now we can sit out there, have fall movies out the backyard, just as a family, enjoying life, enjoying each other.
I can't believe we have a TV.
How cool is that? The hardest part is getting up from this chair. Once the shark has its teeth in you, it's gonna take me down. I was almost shark bait on that one.
Are you kidding me? This is so awesome. With this beautiful porch, we're just gonna be able to sit back and enjoy it. It's no longer wasted space. It's gonna get so much use.
Whenever I would come home and step outside, this was the only thing that kept me awake at night, was wondering, how the heck am I gonna get all this done?
There's a tent with lots of pillows.
Do you wanna sleep in there?
Yeah.
You can sleep out here and close the door.
This is so amazing.
The teepee's awesome. The kids already want to sleep in the backyard. They actually said we can sleep out here now. I was like, all right, that's fine with us.
Yay!
Come on.
You guys are welcome, buds. Check it out.
Oh my goodness. Oh, wow.
Oh my God.
Look at this deck. This is amazing.
I can't believe this is.
Look at this furniture.
Well, guys, obviously you don't get a job like this done in the time we got it done without a lot of help. So, if you don't mind, I'm going to bring in all of our friends who helped get this job done. Awesome. What do you say?
Would love to. Ella, we're going to say some big thank yous, kiddo. Come here.
Well, without further ado, bring it on in, everybody. And hey, it was somebody's birthday, wasn't it?
When we bought this house, like, I feel like we had so many hopes and dreams for it, and you know, just over the last couple of years, it's become everything in life kind of got replaced with worries. Like, our hopes and dreams became replaced with worries, and you guys gave us our dreams back. Like, in a million years, like, you gave us our dreams back.
That's a great way of putting it. Yeah, that's exactly how I feel. You know, just like I said, you know, we feel caught up and we can, you know, just relax and enjoy our family here. This is fantastic.
Oh my God. Oh my God. This is absolutely amazing.
This is a different type of reveal, but you can just tell how grateful they are.
It is completely unimaginable that we would ever get to this place. We didn't even know if we were going to reopen our doors after the fire. There was so much damage done, and with community support, and then with you guys coming in, taking it to a level that we could not even have imagined is just, like, beyond.
It's been an amazing experience to work with Frank and everyone here to transform this space and truly turn this into a paradise for the animals here at the Montclair Animal Shelter. but I know it takes even more, so we got a great surprise for you. My good friend, Bryn from greatergood.org has something special for you.
When we heard about, what you guys were doing here, this is amazing. I can't believe the army of people that you have. So when we heard about the tragedy, we wanted to help out, and so we've brought you a check.
It wasn't just me. I got some good friends. And together we said, we gotta turn this place into a paradise, an outdoor oasis for the Nordies.
Oh my God!
Do you really think I was just gonna give you a front porch? Come on!
Oh my God.
Why don't we go to the deck and you can view it down? And John, I know that you're not a big fan of stairs. We got you a great ramp.
Oh my God.
Is this an outdoor oasis or what?
Beautiful.
What fun is all of this if you don't have your friends and family to share it with?
I know.
Am I right?
You're right. You're right.
Also, I decided to bring them along too. Some of the guys from Local 164.
Oh my God! Oh! Oh my God! Oh! That's it.
We all love you, John. We love you, Dad. All right, Gonzalez family, welcome to your new backyard.
Oh my God! Is this ours? Oh my God! Look at this dog! Look at this dog!
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
A coyote.
This was for Joseph, that's all it's about. And then when I saw that kitchen, I was like, yes, this is great. Oh my God, thank you, George. Thank you, God.
The kitchen area is absolutely unbelievable. Didn't expect anything like it.
It looks like a magazine. Like, you look like someone photoshopped it and just copied and pasted there.
That is a monster smoker, full grill.
God.
It looked like Gus was at a toy store. Like, he was just touching everything, and he was just so amazed.
You gotta understand, I love to cook, so I know about these things.
And I love to eat, so I know about these things too.
Come on, just see it.
You see what's next, JoJo?
Yeah, let's
You
see
see why I was stalling you here? All right, shall we?
Oh my God!
Oh, JoJo!
JoJo, look at that!
When we walked into the yard, I was just overcome with emotion. Joseph was really happy.
His tears said it all.
It's beautiful, right? Oh, wow!
It was emotional for all of us.
Oh, it just melts my heart. I mean, what does any parent want for their child? You want to see them smile, you want to see them happy.
Oh my God, look, they put their school!
So we made this an official Massapequa Chief court for you with the Massapequa colors.
Come on, JoJo, lay it up.
My mom and dad were totally blown away. I can't even imagine how they feel. Their son has a place to play basketball now in his own backyard, and that's all he wanted.
This is the JoJo Gonzalez court.
Yeah.
All right?
Yeah.
But we're not done yet. We have one more thing. You guys ready? You want to see it?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're ready.
Follow me.
Oh my God. That's incredible.
This is a piece of art. Let me just show you what it does.
Okay.
Watch the flames. And
No way! Oh my God! It goes with it! No way! Oh my God!
yeah, JoJo! You can't help but dance when you got beats and you got a fire, right? Thank you so much for watching that video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video.